Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix syncing with iCloud paused on iPhone in minutes. Way 1. Check network connections. To check the Wi-Fi connection, tap Settings. Tap LAN. And make sure it is connected. Way to turn off low power mode. Go to Settings. Tap Battery. Then toggle off low power mode. Way 3. Check the iCloud storage space. Tap Settings. Tap your Apple. Tap iCloud. Tap the recommendations. OK. Tap Delete inactive backups to free up iCloud storage. Select the backup and tap the Delete option at the top right corner. Tap Delete Backups. You should now have more available space. Way for quickly fix unknown iOS system errors. iShare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software that can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can use it to fix the system issues that cause your iCloud syncing pause. You can download iShare iOS Repair Genius from iShare.com. Open the software and click System Repair. Then, select the Standard Mode option. OK, and hit the Start button. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone system issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. Way 5. Sign out of your iCloud and sign in. Tap Settings. Tap your Apple. Tap Sign Out. Enter the Apple password to sign out. OK, wait for minutes. Now log in your Apple account again. Way 6. Update the iOS system. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Then check whether there are available updates or not. Way 7. Hard reset your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears and then release it. Now you can check whether the issue is solved or not. That's all for the video.